Welcome guys, this is my Instagram page. If you have any question or any problem, you can ask me there. Today our topic will be about UHRS multiple accounts. We will find out, can we have multiple accounts? If yes, then how? If no, then why? This video is going to be very useful. So make sure you watch the video till the end so you don't miss any useful information. So let's jump into the video. Guys, before the answer was yes. Before you were allowed to create UHRS multiple accounts. But now, recently in 2022, they changed their rule and now you are not allowed to create UHRS multiple accounts by all vendors. You can see that one pharma has clearly stated in their FAQ section, you are not allowed to have multiple UHRS accounts. If you do, your account may be permanently banned. Clickworker, Appen, Teamwork and all the other vendors says the same thing when you sign up with them. Now the question is still there. Can you create multiple accounts? Then the answer is yes. But before I tell you how you can do this, let me tell you one thing. Before it was fine to create multiple accounts, but now it is risky. If you get caught, you will lose permanently access to your account, as I have shown you the proof. Why we create multiple accounts? So we can earn more money. If it was allowed, then I could show you dozens of people who only have one single account and earning hundreds of dollars with their single account. So let's find out how you can create multiple UHRS accounts without getting caught. First, if you want to create multiple accounts, then use different browsers. Second, use a bit different detail in every vendor. Let's understand this with an example. Now you are already working on UHRS and there your name is Alexander and you want to create another UHRS account. Now in second account, don't use the same spelling. Instead, play with the words. In first account, your name spelling was Alexander. Now in second account, write Alexander. In this name, we have added extra R and also use different email with the second vendor. Third, create different window live ID. It should be different from your previous window live ID from all aspects. Like, don't use the same phone number, use different date of birth, use different backup emails, etc. Number 4, don't work on both IDs at the same time. Like if you are working on one ID, don't work on the second ID at the same time. Now if you want to switch to the second ID, exit the browser and wait for 5 to 10 minutes and then start working on your second ID. I hope I have answered your question. If you want to know how many vendors of UHRS, then the left video is for you. Or if you want to know which vendor is best for UHRS, then the right video is for you. This was all for today's video. Meet you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, happy earnings and thanks for watching.